Okay, so welcome to the part 2 of solving the Rubik's Cube. This episode we're just going to be learning the front side solving. Not the whole thing, it's just the front side. So I think we are about to get ready to start and yeah. So I'm just going to jumble up this cube. Okay, so I've jumbled up the cube. It looks like a mess. What are we going to do? I can't use the normal right inverted, down inverted, right down. It's not going to work. How do we solve it? Okay, well, first thing we want to do is we want to pick a side. So I'm going to pick the green. As you can see, the green has something nice going on. So the first thing we want to do is we want to make a cross of the middle pieces. This is called the middle pieces. You've got the center piece and the corner pieces. So the first thing we want to do is we want to make this cross. But so the first thing, let me just do this. Okay. So as you can see, this green piece aligns, and so does this orange piece. So it's like so. We want to do it to every single one of them. So, for example, this yellow piece, we want over here. Okay? So the way we can do this is we can just turn it down, bring it, and then bring this up. Just like so. We can also do it with this piece. We want this piece over here. Well, we can just easily turn it to the white layer, bring it back, and we have it in that place. This is already in the red, and when we turn it, it's in the green. Beautiful. Now we want these corners, and we want the corners to match up. We want them to be in the right place. Now, as you can see, this corner is already in the right place because it's a yellow, a green, and a red. That's the thing we want. So this corner here is a green, a white, and an orange. Okay? Now, green, white, and orange is this corner over here. So we want this piece to be over here. How do we do that? Well, what we do is we use half of the algorithm that we learnt before. Right inverted, down inverted. Sorry, the full one. We're just going to use the full one. Right inverted, down inverted, right down. And that brings the piece, well, brings the piece right down pretty much. So now we've got this piece here and we want it up here. Pretty much what we're going to do is we're going to use the algorithm again, and we want to make sure that the piece we want, which is this piece, has to be directly below where we want it. Now, sometimes you'll get it like, let me just mess it up a bit. Sometimes you'll get it in an unusual spot. So it's still down here, and it wants to go up here. So we go, okay, well, we use the right inverted, down inverted, right down algorithm many times. So I'm just doing this algorithm, keep on doing it, and boom, it's in the right place. So we're going to do the same thing with all the other pieces. So as you can see, this is a green, orange and yellow, and we got a green, orange and yellow. Now, we could just probably use this once. I can tell that we're just going to have to use this algorithm once, and that's right inverted, right down, and that brings it up to the right spot. Now, we have a green, white and red, green, white, white and red. So we want this corner piece to be up here without messing up any of this. We use the same algorithm, right inverted, down inverted, right down, right inverted, down inverted, right down, right inverted, down inverted, right down. And suddenly, we've solved the first layer. So this side that we've just now solved can now become the bottom side. So we flip the cube up, okay? And now the solved side, which is in my case the green side, is now our down side. Well, that concludes the first part. Hopefully you can get how to do this first layer. It's very important that you know how to do this first layer. As you can see, all these pieces match this colour, all these pieces match this colour, all these pieces match this colour, and all these pieces match this colour. It's very important when you're doing the cross that you get these colours to match up. You really want them to match up, otherwise you're not going to get anywhere. It's really important. Well, that concludes the second episode, where we just pretty much learnt how to solve the first layer. Come back for part 3 to learn how to solve the middle layer without messing any of this up. Should be exciting. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, share it with all your friends, like me on Twitter and Facebook, and yeah, I'll see you in the next episode.